Hello friends, good morning. Today we will discuss about module number 2 of Railway Bridge and Tunnel Engineering. Module 2, Bridge Engineering. Today's topic, classification of bridge. A bridge is a structure for carrying the road traffic or other moving loads over a depression or obstruction such as a river, channel, road or railway. Importance of bridge. Road or railway traffic can run uninterrupted in monsoon, saving in time fuel. It improves aesthetic of a road. Distance between two places can be reduced. Agriculture product, industrial product and raw material can reach to the industry quickly, which help in economic development of the area. Bridges are important for a military point of view. Components of a bridge. Bridge having different components: substructure, superstructure and adjoining structure. In substructure, abutment, pier, wing wall and foundation are considered. Superstructure, beam, bearing, arc, cable, parapet wall or flooring of the bridge is considered as a superstructure. Adjoining structure, approaches, guide bund, guard stone are considered as a adjoining structure of the bridge. See here in this figure, the component of bridge and their function are described. Classification of a bridge. Classification of a bridge according based on material used as per alignment, location of a bridge floor, purpose, type of superstructure, according to HFL, according to span length, navigation facilities, life of a bridge as per loading. Classification based on material. Which types of material used for construction of bridge is defined. Classification of based on material: timber bridge, RCC bridge, stone bridge, steel bridge, composite bridge and prestressed bridge. As per alignment, the straight alignment and a skew alignment bridge. In a straight alignment of a bridge is perpendicular to the center line of a river, it is called a straight or a square bridge. It is in this alignment, the center line of a bridge is completely perpendicular to the center line of the highway or railway. Skew bridge, when the alignment of a bridge is not a perpendicular to the center line of a bridge, is called a skew bridge. Location of a bridge flooring. The deck bridge, when the bridge flooring is provided at the top of superstructure, it is called deck bridge. Steel girder bridge is also considered as a deck bridge. Through bridge, when the flooring is provided at the bottom of superstructure, it is known as a through bridge. Semi through bridge, bridge flooring at the intermediate level. Based on purpose, bridge are considered for which purpose? The aqueduct, viaduct and the grade separator. Small bridge constructed over a stream which is remain dry for most part of the year. When the stream is considered as dry as most part of year, bridge is considered along this stream is known as a aqueduct, viaduct. It is a long continuous structure which carries a road or railway like a bridge over a dry valley. Grade separator, when two roads crosses each other or road and railway line crosses each other and considerable different in their formation level, it is known as a grade separator. Based on superstructure, when span of a bridge is 3 to 6 meter, slab bridge is used. It is also called a culvert. Girder bridge, when the span of a bridge is more, flooring is supported on RCC steel girder. When the flooring is supported on RCC steel girder is known as a girder bridge. Truss bridge, when the flooring of a bridge supported over a steel trusses, it is called a truss bridge. Truss bridge is also known as a deck bridge. Suspension bridge consists of a sets of cable hanging in a curve from which the roadway is supported. Arc bridge, the weight of a bridge flooring is transferred to the pier through arc. The weight of superstructure is transfer from flooring or to the pier. According to HFL means high flood level submersible bridge, which is allow flood pass over it. When the water will pass over the bridge, it is known as a submersible bridge. In submersible bridge, two other parts bridge are divided into two other parts: low level causeway and high level causeway. It is also known as a Irish bridge. The beds of a small river or stream which remain dry for most part of the year. High level causeway, it is designed to be developed in a floods. It is formation level is fixed in such a way as not to cause interruption to traffic during floods more than 3 days at a time, not for more than 6 times in a year. Non-submersible bridge, formation level of a road is kept above HFL, or water cannot allow to pass over the bridge. Formation level is equal to high flood level plus freeboard plus depth of a girder. According to type of span, bridge are classified in a 4 way: simply supported bridge, continuous bridge, cantilever bridge, or balanced cantilever bridge. When the bridge girders are simply supported on a piers, it is known as a simply supported bridge. When the superstructure of a bridge is continuous over more than 2 supports, it is known as a continuous bridge. A cantilever bridge is a form of cantilever projecting from the supporting pier. When the some portion of the bridge are projecting from the supporting pier, it is known as a cantilever bridge. Balanced cantilever, span simply supported over cantilever, used for a span varying from 35 meter to 60 meter. According to navigation purpose, this type of bridge are used for navigation purpose: swing bridge, bascule bridge, traverse bridge, lift bridge, or transporter bridge. Swing bridge, in case of a swing bridge, a central pier is proved with a suitable bearing or roller, and it can be rotated in a horizontal plane about vertical axis in a vertical axis about 360-degree angle. Bascule bridge, the entire superstructure is rotated in a vertical plane about horizontal axis. Traverse bridge, it is so arranged that the whole bridge can fully or partially be rolled forward or backward. Lift bridge, in this type of bridge the truss is lifted up or down. Transporter bridge, a moving cage is suspended from an overhead trusses with the help of cable or wire rope. According to life of a bridge, bridge can be classified into 2 way: temporary bridge or permanent bridge. In a temporary bridge, pontoon bridge, boat bridge, flying bridge, raft bridge are considered as a temporary bridge. Also, a timber bridge is considered as a temporary bridge. Permanent bridge, RCC bridge, masonry bridge, steel bridge, pre-stressed concrete bridge are considered as a permanent bridge. As per loading, bridge are classified into 3 way: class AA bridge, class A bridge, or class B bridge. Track vehicle of 70 ton having load 70 ton, wheeled vehicle having load 40 ton. It is and constructed. This class 1 AA bridge are constructed on a national highway, state highway, major district road. Class A bridge having load carrying capacity less than class AA bridge, and it is constructed along on a ODR, मतलब other district road or village road. Class B bridge, in a class B bridge, temporary bridge are considered as a class B grade bridge. Generally timber bridge, pontoon bridge are considered as a class B bridge.